Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone guys mobile network problem how to solve. Friends, you have mobile network problem, Wi-Fi network problem, Bluetooth network problem. So how to fix network problems. In this video we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on a device. Friends, you can see I have connected network, one network, Wi-Fi network. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here system setting. Then friends, click here reset option. Reset Wi-Fi mobile Bluetooth setting. Friends, click here. As you can see, this will reset all network setting including your Wi-Fi mobile network setting and Bluetooth setting. Friends, click here and reset. After reset friends, you can see setting has been reset. Friends, come back. Friends, automatic your Wi-Fi network, your Bluetooth device will forget to your phone and you cannot use. Friends, you can see automatic Wi-Fi network forget. So off your Wi-Fi, again on your Wi-Fi. Friends, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network, so you can connect without any problem. Enter Wi-Fi network password. And once you can connect Wi-Fi without any problem. Once you can see Wi-Fi has connected without any problem, we can use. Same setting है with Bluetooth setting है. Click here Bluetooth setting. You can connect Bluetooth device without any problem. And friends, you can turn on your mobile network and you can use your mobile network setting. And friends, again you have any problem, so friends you can power off your phone, and after 1 5 and 10 minutes turn on your phone and you can use. So like that friends, you can fix, you can solve your network problem. After that friends, again you have network problem, so then take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.